So, what is so special about this hot dog? Looks like a normal hot dog, right? But there is something special about it. My dog thinks there's something special about it too. But what's special about it is not what my dog thinks is special about it. What's special about it is that while I was preparing it, and then again when I'm going to eat it, I was pouring my thoughts and emotions, good intentions, and even some specific goals into the preparation. So, is this the magic hot dog? Can it elevate my career or make me feel good? The short answer is yes. Now, if you're a skeptic or a naysayer or a fence sitter, I totally get it. And that's why I made this video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how intention transfer works. Because one of the main factors in putting good intentions into your food is having faith in the process. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Magdiel Walmark. I'm a two-time James Beard nominated chef for plant-based cooking, a certified biodynamic gardener, and a Food Network competition cooking show champion in Clash of the Vegetarians. And in this channel, I have conversations that are not typically associated with healthy cooking, conversations in esoteric philosophy, alternative medicine, and modern science that I believe can be applied to our activity in the kitchen. Because there's already a ton of information out there about this nutrient and that nutrient, a lot of it quite confusing, honestly. And there's diet information about this diet and that diet, and some which aren't even diets at all. Oh my God, look who it is. Oh my God, it's been forever. How are you doing? Man, you look great. Hell yeah, thanks bro. Good to see you too. Yeah, I'm on this new diet plan. Oh really? New diet plan? Sounds interesting. So, what are you eating? Eating? I'm not eating, I'm fasting. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not anti-fasting. I'm anti-throwing out the baby with the bathwater. Because before organic chemistry, Isaac Newton, and the Salem witch trials, there was a lot of great information that we can rediscover, in addition to all the new cool information in modern science and nutrition. So, let's get started with intention transfer. So let's look at energy transfer from the language of Hermeticism, which is an ancient esoteric philosophy. And according to Hermeticism, all of the universe, seen and unseen, is made up of 5 elements. 4 of those elements are fire, air, water, and earth. And these are not like the elements that we see on earth in our physical world. These are principles. And fire is the expansive principle. Water is the contractive principle. Air is the mitigating principle that mitigates between the electromagnetic polarity of fire and water. And earth is the cohesive principle that holds it all together. Now there's the 5th element, which is the Akasha element, and this is the creative element out of which the other 4 elements emanate. And when you, through your consciousness, direct your thoughts and emotions using the force of your will, it is the Akasha principle that accepts your thoughts and emotions. And since all these 5 principles are in everything in the universe, your thoughts and emotions go into your food. Now, if you like this video, please hit the like button down below, subscribe, because more great content is on the way. Let's talk about quantum physics and intention transfer through the principles of quantum physics. Now, according to quantum physics, all of the universe, seen and unseen, is made up of a quantum vibrational energy field. And when your consciousness connects with the quantum vibrational energy field, you have a perception of a holographic reality. And so your thoughts and emotions affect the holographic reality that you perceive in the quantum vibrational field. So if you direct your thoughts and emotions using the force of your will into the quantum vibrational field, it is absorbed into your food, which is part of this holographic reality, which is really all energy that we perceive as matter. Still, technical knowledge is not essential in order to practice intention transfer. Your mother or your grandmother probably didn't know too much about Hermeticism or quantum physics, and yet they were still able to pour their loving intention into their food preparations. Think about that tiramisu that your grandmother used to make that was technically inferior, but curiously superior to all those other tiramisus you had made by some of the finest pastry chefs in the world. Or how about that chicken broth your mother made that cured your influenza better than modern medicine? The fact is, intention transfer, whether good or bad, and whether you believe it or not, is as real as the salt and pepper you put into your food. So here's an opportunity to elevate your manifestation practices or share your good feelings with your family, friends, and loved ones. If you're not in a good mood, or perhaps harboring some negative thoughts, maybe you should save that sensitive conversation until after dinner. Or before you start cooking, maybe a little bit of exercise or some meditation or listen to some good music so that you can be in the proper mindset. If you're interested in digging deeper into information like this and also learning more about high quality agricultural practices and basic skills that you can apply in the kitchen, then I do offer an online cooking course. It's called 5 Days to a Farm to Table, Gluten-Free, Plant-Based Diet. There's links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I should not be cooking today. I wonder why I'm in such a bad mood. Oh, that's right. I'm fasting. Off the hook.